I have problems with parking sensor. Let's have a try. So we get the ignition on there, and then we can engage the reverse gear. So that's the sound, and it will last for a few seconds, and now it's stopped. So if we try engage the gear first, and then we have the ignition on, that's the sound. So without starting the engine, it's only beeps once. So if still on, you engage it, it's not beeping. So it's just the first time when you switch the ignition on and have the reverse gear. Now I have the reverse gear on, and you can see this the sensor here. You can hear it from the video, and so we have 4 sensors, and it's rather quiet. I think this is the loudest one, and that one's quiet, that one is quiet, that one I couldn't hear anything, and I think that one is faulty. I have to put my ear against the sensor so that I can hear it. Maybe my hearing is not that good, but from the mobile phone you can notice it. But it's hardly for me to hear it unless I put my ears against the sensor. So we need to maybe to replace this.